Hey everyone, welcome back to Play Basic. I am Tanbir Masood. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cool typewriter effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a simple yet effective way to add some flair to your text animations, perfect for titles, subtitles, or even video intros. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening Premiere Pro and creating a new project. Once you are all set, import your video footage or create a new sequence where you want the typewriter effect to appear. After importing the footage, I will place it onto the timeline. Then I will drag the camera blur effect from the effects panel and apply it to the footage. Next, I will go to the Effect Controls panel and adjust the blur percentage of the camera blur to reduce it to the desired level. Now, we need to create the text that will have the typewriter effect. Select the Type tool from the toolbar, click on the program monitor and type in your desired text. You can adjust the font, size and position using the Effect Controls panel to get it just right. Next, we will go to the text layer and change the font to Impact. You can choose any font you prefer. After that, to make your workflow easier, you will need to adjust the workspaces. To do this, go to the window menu, then select Workspaces and choose Essentials. Once the text in the text layer is properly scaled and positioned, scroll down and go to the Fill option. From there, select your preferred color for the text and press OK. Now, we will go to the Effects panel and search for Crop. Drag the crop effect and drop it onto the text layer in the timeline. Then go to the Effect Controls panel, select crop and crop from the right side, bringing it to the beginning of the text. After that, click the stopwatch icon next to the right option to activate the animation. Move one frame forward, revealing the first part of the text. Then move another frame forward and reveal the second part of the text. Continue this process, revealing each part of the text frame by frame. Now, select both the video footage and the text layer, right-click and choose Nest. Then right-click on the nested clip and select Speed Duration. Set the speed to 20% and press OK. even more authentic effect, you can add a typewriter sound. Just import a typewriter sound effect, place it on your timeline and sync it with the appearance of each letter. This adds a nice touch that really sells the effect. Check it for downloading in description below. Finally, preview your work to make sure everything looks smooth. If you are happy with the result, go ahead and export your video using your preferred settings. And that's it, you have created a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more editing tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy editing.